you gotta know where to go, you know. Have you been before?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I just wanted to record the takeoff, but there was plane was just going around. Yeah, yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to call your attention to the fasten seatbelt sign, which is still illuminated. We ask you please remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Should the captain turn off the sign any moment during the flight, you wish to open overhead bin, please take extra care since carrying items may have shifted during takeoff. We always recommend you remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Thank you. I'd like to extend a special welcome to our Advantage and one of our Alliance customers. I'd like to invite all of you today to read our boarding magazine, American Way, to be found in the seat back pocket in front of you. And when you arrive in Mexico City, you may take it with you. There is no time difference between Dallas Fort Worth and Mexico City. Time right now is 20 minutes to 8 in the evening. We should be landing in Mexico City at about 10 minutes to 10 in the evening. Señores pasajeros, queremos indicar que la acción de los cinturones se mantiene iluminados, tanto le pedimos por favor que se mantengan sentados con sus cinturones abrochados hasta que el capitán apague las de los cinturones. Si en algún momento durante el vuelo el capitán apaga la señal y ustedes se ven en compartimiento superior, tenga sumo cuidado, ya que equipaje de mano se podrá desplazar durante el despegue. Siempre recomendamos que se mantengan sentados con sus cinturones abrochados. Gracias. Le queremos extender una cordial bienvenida a nuestros pasajeros.